Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Do you have your own composition?
Yes.
Please do.
It's emotional, so we don't even do.
Just try to control yourself a little. Okay? Yes. Usikubali kubebe. Okay. Before you do your own, do you have any other you can sing?
Yes.
Yeah. All right. Just one verse. That's amazing. Can you now do your own?
Yes.
Thank you. Okay, it's all right. Just akuje basi. That is a great performance, a good one. All right. these auditions. Thank you.
Wow, that was nice. Another amazing performance. Now, contestant number 38, kindly, ni wewe tunasubiria. Number 38. Number 38, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Welcome.
Bwana asifiwe. Praise God. Anaitwa Mary Jomo. YouTube Mary Jomo, TikTok Mary Jomo. Na nitaimba wimbo ya Magishi. Anekuina. Moche kuonde idia mundire gai mande ta gayuta hotamo ele para shioka Makona makitune hatia mahane tambelia makarako otaidaga mono okuhererie ne wotherie tohanane nawe otariria naitario otaragiriria rĩrĩa akirĩte okuagĩra mĩrigo moke mohe-inĩ aramano hatĩka-inĩ.
Hi Mary.
Hi.
You're singing so well. Never vizuri.
Thank you.
Just ensure you control your mic. Don't go band. We have your own song.
Yeah.
Trivia, please. Wait. There is a part you can sing. Just sing, please.
Inaitwa Mahoya. Fafadhili waletwana kumwadhani ndoka mbele ya kudeni etie gehema etia orananige zoitoe na wobokaria tonone wiguaga mahoya mayada hoya mothe ohigerie gemenyo na maitana gweta neumoe na neo kohigeria.
Thank you. That was good. God bless you. Let's appreciate her.